In this video, I will show you how to change background in Canva. So in this left side panel, click on this background. So these all are options. You can select landscape, patterns, and gradients. So these all are options you can use as a background. You can use your own picture as a background. So upload your picture here. Upload file and select your picture from your PC. Then drag and drop. Right click on it and replace background. So these all are options you can try to change background in Canva. Thanks for watching.